Welcome to Vocabulary Chapter 10 video tutorial. So we have the first word here for Chapter 10, connoisseur. And it says, Curtis has a broad knowledge of French wines, where they are made, when they are the best, and exactly how each one tastes. He's a true connoisseur. So this Curtis knows all this about French wines. I would consider him an expert. So connoisseur means, yes, most likely it is B, an authority, an expert in whatever it is. And in this case, it is French wines. Number 2, conspiracy. Conspiracy to overthrow the government was started by two of the premier's own advisors. So conspiracy to overthrow an idea, announcement, well, it would most likely mean a plot. Number 3, contrite. Dolores was especially contrite about tearing her sister's dress because she'd borrowed it without permission. So she was contrite. So it must mean, well, she felt most likely bad because she borrowed it. What made it worse, she borrowed it without permission and it tore. So I'm going to say she felt sorry. That is correct. Number 4, distraught. And we look at the image here of this woman, and it looks like she's in a medical office. And it says the distraught victim of a tsunami being treated for injuries. So she does not look happy. And I know that a lot of people that go to medical offices most likely are not in a happy or joyous mood. So it's going to be distraught means, yes, A, upset. 5, germane. It bothered Christine when her new boss asked if she had a boyfriend. That information certainly wasn't germane to her work. So the fact that her boss asked if she had a boyfriend seemed a bit inappropriate. So germane wasn't germane to her work, damaging, related, or foreign. Well, I know it's not related to her work. It has nothing to do with one or the other. Number 6, lucid. I usually find computer manuals horribly unclear, but this one is lucid. So he normally finds them unclear, but this one is lucid. So the opposite of unclear would be, yes, A, easy to understand. 7, plight. The plight of the homeless can be somewhat relieved by decent shelters. So the plight, or what's another way of saying it, would be, yes, C, an unfortunate situation. 8, superficially. This morning the mechanic was short of time and inspected my car only superficially. He said he'd check it thoroughly later and then give me an estimate. So superficial to me is very shallow. So the fact that he checked it shortly, only had a short amount of time to do it, he didn't do a thorough job, so most likely he did it slightly. B. 9, symmetrical. So if you look at the image here, symmetrical building, it's cut in half. So it's perfectly in the middle. So that means symmetrical must mean, and for mathematics majors, symmetry, yes, balanced. 10, verbose. Gabe is the most verbose person I know. He always uses 10 words when one would do. So this person uses a lot of words. So verbose must mean, yes, B, wordy. And that brings us to the end to Chapter 10, Vocabulary.